And number four, we in West Chelsea. And we actually fresh off a Chelsea neighborhood, guys. So if you haven't seen it, go check that out. But then number four, we're in a new development building in West Chelsea with some of the best finishes you'll find in the city. And it's on the market for 6.85 million. Let's
You'll
check it
like
out.
this Chelsea apartment. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by the powder room, featuring a striking monolithic Calicotta Panazzo marble vanity and sink. We'll start the tour in the secondary bedroom, which comes with its own en-suite bathroom. The en-suite bathroom is finished with Charon pattern Arabescato Valley Oral marble floors with a glassed enclosed marble shower. The walls are wrapped in crystal white stone paired with a vanity and sink to match. But let's make our way to the great room and kitchen. As we approach the great room, you're going to see the great room is inviting with floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light and the city skyline. Then we have the open kitchen. The open kitchen is outfitted with Carnico grill marble floors with home Calicotta gold marble island with countertop and black splash to match. You have a Molentini brush Apicia wood and white lacquer cabinetry with elegant cove lighting and top-of-the-line appliances. And here's that up-close view of the lighting and view this space brings in. But let's talk about the primary suite. The primary bedroom overlooks the city skyline, give you that New York City backdrop. Then you have this dressing room that leads you to the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is dressed in Charon Arabescato Valley Oral marble floors, bordered with St. Laurent marble and a hydro system soaking tub. Arabescato Valley Oral marble wainscoting wrapped the room, complemented by dual vanities and a mirrored medicine cabinet with integrated LED lighting. The details in this apartment was truly astonishing, and it's right here in West Chelsea for $6.8 million.